Perhaps nothing more brings a gardener, whether you're new, intermediate, or a master, more joy than seeing their seedlings pop. Seeing the seedlings go from, seeing the seeds rather go from little seedlings to full grown plants like these is what we all strive for. In this video, I'm going to give you 5 tips that I discovered along the way, and maybe they can help you like they've helped me. Tip number 1, when you're starting your seedlings out, make sure that you have a good potting soil, a good seed starting soil, not a potting soil. The difference between the two, a seed starting soil is basically a mixture of either peat moss or cocoa coir and perlite. No amendments are necessary for the seeds. At this point, the seeds have everything that they need to germinate and grow. Their first set of leaves, those leaves are called codling leaves. They provide the plant at this state with everything that they need to grow their first couple sets of leaves. Okay. Me personally, I've started making my own seed starting mix, and as I said, it's nothing but a mixture of perlite and peat moss, or perlite and cocoa coir. Okay, this is a mixture of perlite and cocoa coir, nothing more. And this is what I use to start all of my seeds. Tip number 2, when you're putting the seeds into the soil, make sure you're placing them at the proper depth. Some seeds require a 1/4 inch below the seed line. Some require a 1/2 inch, some require an inch. Make sure you follow the directions listed on the seed packaging to ensure that you have a good seed germination rate. Tip number 3, make sure that you have at least 2 sets of true leaves on your seedlings before you transplant them into the area where you're going to put them at. What I mean by 2 sets of true leaves, here, these are true leaves. Down here are basically the seed covers of the seed when I first put it into the soil. So before I transplant this particular seedling, I want to have 2 sets of true leaves. This is the first set, and another set will come out growing this way and this way. Okay, once your plants have become mature and have grown well and wherever you have placed them at, they need to be placed on a watering schedule so that they are properly watered and maintained. Along with the watering schedule is a fertilization schedule. Now, whether you use synthetic fertilizer or organic fertilizer, that's up to you. Whether it's liquid or granule, again, that will be up to you. Me, I use a liquid fertilizer, AgroThrive. I have a link for that down in the comment section of this video. And I fertilize and water my plants every 10 to 14 days. Tip number 4, harvest your vegetables or your fruit, whichever one you're growing. Every plant's ultimate goal is to produce seed to reproduce. And if you do not harvest the fruit or vegetables that are there, the plant will think that its purpose is over with and will die. If you harvest it, it will continue to produce until it can't produce anymore. When you plant your vegetables or your seedlings, make sure that you're using a real good or a quality potting soil. You can either make it or you can buy it, but make sure it is quality. Quality potting soil will have perlite, compost, and either peat moss or cocoa coir in it. It will also have several types of amendments, maybe blood meal, maybe bone meal, azomite, other minerals that will help your plant grow. Tip number 5, make sure that you are documenting what it is you're growing. There's nothing more frustrating than seeing your seedlings come up and then not have any idea what they are. For me, I write the name of the plant that I'm growing, the date that I am starting it, and the variety onto a tongue depressor like this that I got from Haas. That way it lets me know what the plant is. And I also keep a journal, a handwritten journal of what I have started, when I have started it, what date I started it, when they get bigger, when I watered it and fertilized it, how much I fertilized it, and also if there was any type of problems along the way, maybe a infestation or the leaves turning yellow or something like that. Lately, I have found a website. It's a beta site, but a website that I can actually put it in a digital form. So I'm thinking about starting that. I'll leave a link for that up at the top of this video if you're interested in it. Gardening is fun and can bring you many, many hours of fun, enjoyment, and relaxation. By using the 5 tips that I have provided, it can also be easy. And you shouldn't be stressing or worrying whether or not your garden will be green and lush. If you have enjoyed this video, give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take this time to considering to do so. I can grow a lot of vegetables, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you're interested in any of the seeds or anything that I used in this video, head over to my Amazon storefront or my website. The addresses for both are listed in the comment section of my video. Make sure to like the video, and you can share the video. Leave me a comment and I will reply to it. Even if you're a small space gardener like me, you can grow a lot of food for yourself and your family. So remember, until next time, stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow.